Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to look up a customer in the Ovvi POS System database and add it to an order that you have ongoing. First, in this case, I'm going to do an order here in the dining room. I'm going to press new. I'm going to add a few items. I'm going to add an orange juice, maybe 2 orange juice. I'm going to add some Mongolian beef with extra rice. And then, once I'm ready to add the customer to this order, I'm going to come to the button that says Look Up Customer right here on the top. Once I'm here, I can look up the customers in different ways. I can look up the customer by their phone number, which is what we recommend for QSR restaurants. I can look it up by first name, last name, company. If you're a catering company or maybe you have companies, you have your customer for whatever reason saved as a company, you could look it up like that. Or if the customer had a card, we could look it up that way as well. For this example, I'm just going to select the first customer that I have in my demo account, Daniel Rivera. He's added to the order now. You can see it right here. And the great thing about this is that for effects of loyalty, in case you're using our loyalty system that comes with Ovvi POS, or maybe you're just trying to see who are your biggest fans and your customers that come the most, you'll be able to see that from just entering their customer profile to their order. If you would like to watch more videos like this, make sure to like our video, subscribe to the channel, and leave us any comments below of any videos that you would like to watch in the future. Thanks again for watching.